So this is a small walk the talk in Lucknow. I have with us a very famous doctor from City of Joy, Kolkata. She is Dr. Mary De Cruz. She has come to Lucknow for the first time. Let's have some words from her.
I am enjoying visiting the city of culture. It was my long dream to come here. बहुत दिनों से कोशिश की आने की. फाइनली लखनऊ विजिट कर सकती हूँ. इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ये ओल्ड बिल्डिंग्स को देख के, ये यहाँ का लोगों का मिलना और हंसना, यहाँ का कल्चर बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Tell me your feelings the moment you landed Lucknow airport.
वही मैंने देखा, मुस्कुराई है आप लखनऊ में हैं तो मैंने मुस्कुराया.
मुस्कुराइए आप लखनऊ में. मुस्कुराया तो सिटी ऑफ जॉय से जॉय लेकर आई हैं आप लखनऊ में. तो व्हाट इज योर आइटिनरी इन लखनऊ?
मुझे तो पहले हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस सब देखना है. उसका मैंने एक लिस्ट तैयार किया है. बड़ा इमाम बाड़ा, छोटा इमाम बाड़ा, फिर हजरतगंज और फिर ओल्ड चर्चेस. ओल्ड चर्चेस ऑफ द रेजिडेंसी टाइम. एंड देन फिर मेरा फूड ट्रेल है. फूड का लिस्ट है, वो भी देखना है.
The residency itself is a great, I think.
It should be. I'm looking forward to seeing it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Sharma ji is with me, and he is an ocean of knowledge, more about culture and cities. So I'm sure he will make my visit very meaningful.
I would like to tell my this audience that Dr. Mary De Cruz is the doting daughter of my great guru, friend, philosopher and guide, Professor James Sundaramurthy, who was born in Karnataka and came to Jabalpur almost 60 years back. He didn't know even a single word of English and Hindi, only Kannada. But a day came when he became the super master of English literature, English language and communicator par excellence. So tell me something about your family, Dr. Mary.
Yes, my father, Dr. James Sundaramurthy, was a great achiever and a believer in the secularity of the country. He came from down south. He picked up Hindi, he picked up English. He wrote a book in Hindi with Sharma ji, which also won the
National Bharatendra Harishchandra Award.
National Bharatendra
From Government of India.
Absolutely. So that was like a major milestone in his life.
Yes.
He came with just an intermediate school pass and he achieved a doctorate in Jabalpur, and then he became a teacher for other teachers too.
Okay, so this is a nostalgic travel in Lucknow with Dr. Mary De Cruz. What kind of medical practice do you do in Kolkata?
Oh, I'm practicing mainly as a physician, diabetologist and metabolic disorders. Today, obesity is rampant. Indians have a very low threshold. So we're looking at thin fat Indians. So they have a pot belly, but they may be having a low BMI. So today BMI is not the only way. We look at the waist circumference. For men it should be below 90 centimeters at the level of the umbilicus, and for women it should be less than 80. I use this as an opportunity to tell people to eat healthy, sleep early, and get up early and do exercises regularly. These are simple things. Today the market is full of very expensive medicines which are able to tackle obesity, but then they have to be taken lifelong. You have to do lifestyle measures to have good health.
You are an expert in health communications, which I observe. Lucknow people are also great eaters, and the Department of Tourism has promoted one Chatori Gali. So what kind of message I would like to, holistic message like to give to Lucknow people?
We have very good Indian fast foods.
Yes.
So let us not forget that. Things like poha, things like upma from the south, idli is a healthy dish, dokla. So, and then again, the city of Lucknow is known for its variety of foods. So all we do is make it healthy. So proteins are good in food. So you can eat chicken, you can eat meat, but the way it is cooked should be healthy.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
stews are better. Don't use too much oil, and you can still enjoy the good food here.
You were born in Jabalpur.
That's right.
You were educated in Jabalpur.
That's right.
So great memories of
Yes,
Jabalpur. So
imagine.
share a few nostalgic memories of Jabalpur.
I did my schooling in St. Joseph's Convent, then went on to Home Science College to do the mandatory 1 year of science.
Yes.
Following that, I was in medical college for my MBBS as well as my MD.
MD. Yeah.
And I have beautiful memories of friends from school, friends from college. We do meet off and on, but now WhatsApp has connected us to each other, and we keep on thinking of those times. I still remember cycling from Caribs near Empire Theatre to school
Yes.
every day, racing to reach school in time, parking the cycle and getting into the assembly, and then the daily prayers that we had at St. Joseph's Convent, and which probably groomed and created us as good human beings.
Okay. Good. Something about Jabalpur food, particularly street food.
Okay, there I remember eating Golgappa. That was my
Golgappa,
favorite
yeah.
food, and there was a South Indian restaurant near Mahavir Talkies.
Mahavir
I don't know
Talkies,
if it's
yeah.
still there, but
No,
that
no.
was awesome sambar.
All the
and
talkies
idli.
have gone.
Okay. So that's where.
Okay. Thank you, Mary.
Thank you so
And
much,
wish you
Sharmaji.
all the best for your Lucknow visit.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Most welcome.